For this DIY, you're going to need a bottle of some sort. I don't recommend a spray bottle because when you spray the toner onto your face and the apple cider vinegar gets into your eyes, it's going to sting, but any other bottle will do. Then you're going to fill it 1/3 of the way with apple cider vinegar, 1/3 rose water, and 1/3 water, and then add a few drops of tea tree oil at the end. If you want, you can actually just fill it 1/3 of the way with apple cider vinegar and the rest with rose water, because the apple cider vinegar smells a little bad in the beginning, so you might want to use the rose water to kind of cancel out the bad smell. Depending on your skin type, this might be a little too harsh and it might burn when you put it on. So that's why just make a small test toner with like 1 teaspoon of each amount to see what works for you. It's just a DIY that's customized to your skin type, so just play with different combinations and see which one works best.